Hi folks, so this is where we are on the German Panzer crew figure. I did the second and last layer for the skin color and also adding more highlights and shadows on the uniform. I also added the decals and it really improves the overall look of the figure. Tamiya provides you with instruction on the decals for the commander and also for the enlisted soldier. They also provide you with some historical notes on some of the elements in the uniform, which, for example, there's this element here on the cap that only ends in 1942. Some historical elements and also on all the awards. It's great if you have this around, even though you've done working on the kit. Now on the decal sheet, I worked on this last night and added using Mr. Mark softener, and basically you add the first layer of Mark softener and then put the decals on, wait for a while, and then you put another swipe onto it. You could see that there are several ranks, and there's plenty for 8 figure. The way I paint my figure models is usually I have a base coat of acrylics. For instance, this is for the flesh color. This would be airbrushed, and then I would add some artist oil color on top of that. The work that I've done on my figures are mostly using oil color. Now it is a bit slow. It doesn't have that stunning look like the acrylics, but it works for me. These are the brands that I use: Georgian and also Pebeo. Another set that I just bought, incredible oil colors from Decaling 502, and yeah, it comes in a really nice tube, and it has some specific colors like smoke. If you're in modeling, you'll probably understand the names of it. Faded green. So they are made towards the modeling community. Light gray and so many others. So I have like 3 sets of this with different colors. I have this one that says diorama color set. Also have a mapping technique, lights and shadows, and the one that I showed you, that was aircraft effect set. Even though they say it's a set for aircraft or diorama or armor, you could always use it interchangeably, and I use these colors for my figures, irrelevant to the name of the set. So right now I'm adding the Mark softener using just a small brush. Oh, that's a bit too big, I think. Yeah, that's a bit too big, right? The original piece is straight. These ranks insignia, I had to cut them diagonally a little bit, and that goes to the driver. Cut them diagonally a little bit. It gives the impression that they are under the label. Still too big? Yeah, still too big, yeah. Third attempt. Yeah, I think that fits. When it dries, it will settle. So that's the latest update in the figures, and hopefully I could finish that before today. All right, talk to you later. Bye.